Hey everybody, Sean here with Ductco Reagan Homes and Investments. We're outside our newest project here in Alexandria, right off the Potomac, and close to Mount Vernon. We are about a month out from being able to hit the market, and let's see how progress is coming along. Let's go check it out. Here we are in the newly configured lower level basement. We had walls and ductwork all throughout here. Completely opened it up, so when we came down the stairs, it created a large open family room. And we also installed a brand new staircase to create a better rise and run for headroom when you came down. And then you'll see over there, there's a brand new bedroom that is framed up where we included an egress window so that it's a legal bedroom. So that would be the 5th bedroom and its own suite down this lower level. Well, here we are in the backyard. As you'll see, there's a sunroom addition off the back, which we're gonna dress up and make sure that that really pops, as it's a huge selling point, which a lot of these homes don't have additions. And in the back, you'll see the different pavers with the patio back here. We're gonna clean up the entire yard to really make it shine. Looking forward to showing you the finished product, and hopefully we can get this on the market sooner rather than later. Stay tuned for new updates.